Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply stop unwanted calls on Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Telegram app. I'm just going to click on my Telegram app right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. The next thing you need to do is to go to settings. Next thing you need to do is to go to privacy and security. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here under privacy, click on costs. The next thing you need to do is to switch from everybody to nobody right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this check mark to accept. So you can see right here, it has been changed to nobody. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop accepting unwanted call on Telegram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.